Good morning, students. This is Ravi Kumar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. I think I know to all because I was teaching two subjects in our first sem. Some of the regions, Sadiqs are appointed to finally for teaching aptitude. So today onwards, I will teach in three subjects. We will continue the vector calculus. Now, today's topic is divergence and curl. I am sharing the PDF document. Please wait a few minutes. So today's topic is divergence and curl. First of all, definition of divergence. If okay, first of all, definition of divergence. If above is a continuously differentiable, if above is a continuously differentiable vector point function, then I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z is called a divergence, is called a divergence and is denoted by del dot f bar. So symbolically represent is divergence means del dot f bar. Only del is gradient. So it is called gradient. It is applied to only scalar point functions. Del applied to only scalar functions. Some operations, either dot, either cross, applied to vector function. First of all, the divergence definition here f bar is continuously differentiable vector point function. First of all, here f is vector. Then applied to del with operation dot. It is called the definition of divergence. It is derived to div f bar equal to div f bar equal to I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou. So first of all, we write the del. The formula of del equal to is audible. Is it audible? Respond anyone? వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తుంది, ఒకసారి మీరు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి. నా వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తుందా? హలో, హలో. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. This is Ravi Kumar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. I think I know to all because already I teach two subjects in our first sem. So today we continue the vector calculus topic. First of all, divergence and curl. First we define the divergence. I explain the definition of divergence. Okay. Definition of divergence. So if f bar is a continuously differentiable vector point function, then I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by
సార్
dou
మీ
y
వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్.
వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుందా? హలో
సార్
is it listenable?
సార్.
Okay. Okay, today topic is divergence and curl. First of all, define divergence. If f bar is a continuously vector point function, if f bar is a continuously differentiable vector point function, then I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z is called a divergence of f bar, and it is denoted by del dot f bar. So and it is denoted by del dot f bar. Here del is a operator, dot is a function, and f is a vector. So singly represented del is applied to scalar functions. Some operations, either dot or cross, it is applied to vector function. So here f is a vector. Here f is a vector, and del dot applied to vector function. Then the result is scalar. So it is denoted by del dot f bar. And div f bar equal to I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. First of all, we write the definition of del. The formula of del is generally I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y
plus k dou by dou
plus
z.
k dou by dou z. So dot f bar. So f bar equal to f bar is a vector. So we write f bar f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar, or simply f bar. So multiply corresponding terms I into dou by dou x of f bar. that equal to dou f bar by dou x plus j into dou by dou y of f bar. So dou f bar by dou y and plus k into dou by dou z of f bar, that equal to dou f bar by dou z. Here f bar is a vector. We take f bar equal to f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar. So that is the definition of divergence. So it is denoted by del dot f bar and is defined by I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. Here one note point is there. Div f bar is always a scalar. So div on one vector dot f one vector. So multiplying of two vectors, then the result is scalar. Two vectors multiply is the result is scalar. This is the definition of divergence. Next, go to definition of kernel. So kernel, here also f bar is a continuously differentiable vector point function. Then I cross dou f by dou x plus j cross dou f by dou y plus k cross dou f by dou z is called kernel of vector, is called kernel of vector and is denoted by kernel f bar. So kernel means del cross f bar. Here del also vector and f bar also vector. That equal to, first of all, definition of del I dou by dou x j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Into means cross into f bar. So multiplying to both function I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z in the operator cross. So finally del cross f bar equal to I cross dou f bar by dou x plus j bar cross dou f bar by dou y plus k bar cross dou f bar by dou z. This is the definition of kernel. Here also one note point is there. Kernel R bar is always a vector. So kernel R bar ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఒక వెక్టర్ వస్తుంది. Div f is always a scalar.
హలో
Hello.
సార్ రూమ్ అన్లాక్ చేయండి, ఒకడు వస్తున్నాడు.
Okay. Okay. Kernel f bar is also write in another method. That is kernel f bar equal to determinant of, here the formula of del equal to I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. This is the definition of del. I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z is the del formula. Next, we write the f. F is a vector. Suppose f bar equal to f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar. Let us assume. So now we write the del cross f bar is, in the operator del and f bar both are vectors. In both vectors our common terms are I bar and second j bar and third k bar. So commonly ijk are in the definition. So in the first row, I bar, j bar, k bar. Next, the definition of del, the quotient of ijk. First del, in the definition, the quotient of I bar, first value dou by dou x, and the quotient of j, dou by dou y, and the quotient of k, dou by dou z. And last term f bar is always, f bar is also vector. The quotient of I bar in f bar, f1. The quotient of j bar in f bar, f2. And the quotient of k bar is f3. This is another method of curl f bar. So we find the curl f bar in the problematically, we use the formula del cross f bar equal to, in first row, both are common terms ijk, and the quotient of ijk in del dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and the quotient of ijk in f bar is f1, f2, f3. These terms are we assumed values. In problems, some different values are there. Okay. Next definition is solenoidal vector.
గారు నేను సునీల్ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకుంటా.
ఓకే సార్.
ఒక్క నిమిషం వెయిట్ చేస్తే అమ్మ ఒకసారి హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేయండి అమ్మా. ఒకసారి హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేయాలి. అమ్మా ఒకసారి హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేయాలండి, అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నా.
Raise your hands.
All of you raise your hands. అమ్మా కొంతమందికి హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేయాలా?
మేము 12 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు, ఓన్లీ 40 మెంబర్స్. మిగతా వాళ్ళు కూడా హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేయండి.
మాస్టర్ మీరు కంటిన్యూ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
ఓకే సార్. Okay, next definition is solenoidal vector. The definition of solenoidal, already we discussed divergence. So divergence formula del dot f bar. Okay, solenoidal, this del dot f bar equal to 0, this divergence or del dot f bar equal to 0, then f bar is solenoidal vector. Already we discussed the formula of divergence. The formula divergence is denoted by del dot f bar. Suppose del dot f bar equal to 0, then f bar is solenoidal vector. It is denoted by del dot f bar equal to 0. Next, irrotational vector. If curl f bar equal to 0 or del cross f bar equal to 0, then f bar is said to be irrotational vector. Otherwise, it is rotational vector. So here we discussed curl f bar. So curl means del cross f bar. Here f bar is a vector. Del cross f bar is a curl definition. It is equal to 0. Then f bar is irrotational vector. It is not equal to 0. Then f bar is rotational vector. Okay. Here two conditions are very, very important conditions we discussed. First, del dot f bar equal to 0. So del dot f bar, it is named as divergence. Suppose del dot f bar equal to 0. Here f bar is solenoidal. Del cross f bar, it is called curl f bar. Suppose del cross f bar equal to 0, then f bar is irrotational. Del cross f bar not equal to 0, then it is rotational. Okay. Okay. Go to next.
హలో సార్.
Hello.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు కర్ల్ వెక్టర్ దగ్గర డిటర్మినెంట్ చెప్పారు కదా సార్, అది కూడా
Yes.
రాసుకోవాలి సార్?
Okay. రాసుకోండి.
ఎస్ సార్.
Del cross F bar. Del cross F bar equal to that of ijk in the first row, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Let us take F bar equal to F1 I bar plus F2 j bar F3 k bar, then F1, F2, F3. This is very important to solve the curl F bar in problems.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, next. Okay, next topic. Now, we discussing curl and curl F bar and divergence F bar, solenoidal, irrotational. We do simple problems. First of all, first problem, if R bar equal to Xi bar plus Yj bar plus Zk bar, show that del dot R bar equal to 3 and del cross R bar equal to 0. Simple problems. We discussing divergence F bar that equal to del F bar. Here F bar is a vector. So now I change a F bar to R bar. So F bar is a vector. Here R bar is also vector. But R bar is a standard vector. It always R bar equal to Xi bar plus Yj bar plus Zk bar. So it is standard vector. Now we show del R bar equal to 3 and del cross R bar equal to 0. In the definition of div R bar, that equal to del dot R bar, the formula is I dou R bar by dou x plus j dou R bar by dou y plus k dou R bar by dou z. Okay, this is the formula of divergence. So first I bar into dou R bar by dou x. So dou by dou x of R bar. R bar means here we given Xi bar plus Yj bar plus Zk bar. First we write the formula of divergence. In the definition, we take a vector f. Now in problem, we take the vector r bar. So del dot r bar, the formula of del dot r bar equal to I dou r by dou x plus j dou r by dou y plus k dou r by dou z. Here r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Here r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Now I replace I dou by dou x of r bar. I replace r bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. First we find out the I dou r by dou x. Next find out the j dou r by dou y, and finally k dou r by dou z. So with respect to x, dou by dou x. So dou means partial derivative. partial derivative applying same terms and different terms are automatically 0. So dou by dou x of x, first of all multiplying I dot dou by dou x that equal to I dot I 1 dou by dou x of x, dou by dou x of x, that is equal to, with respect to x, derivative of x equal to 1. Next, I dot j, in the vector operators, the different terms in between dot that equal to 0. So I dot j 0 and I dot k also 0. Here I dot I equal to 1, same terms operating with a dot, I dot I1, j dot j1, k dot k1, different operators, I dot j equal to 0, I dot k 0, j dot k equal to 0, so k dot j equal to 0. Same terms applying dot is 1, different operator applying del equal to dot equal to 0. So I dot I in first term, I dot I equal to 1, over x of x equal to 1. So 1 into 1 final in value. So all of you mute your mobile. Okay. Clearly I explain del dot r bar. First, del dot r bar equal to, I calculate the first value, I dou by dou x of r bar. This value is 1. Next, j dou by dou y of j dou by dou y of r bar in between dot. So j dou by dou y of r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. In between dot. So multiplying corresponding terms, I dot j 0 plus z dot j 1. So here 1. So dou by dou of term is y. Y plus j dot k 0. So here j dot j 1 and dou by dou of y equal to 1. Similarly, k dou by dou z dot r bar, that is also I dot r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. First, k dou by dou z dot r bar formula xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Now multiplying the corresponding terms. First of all, multiplying the coefficient of vectors. So k bar dot I bar, here dot is in between two terms, dot is there. So k bar dot I bar equal to 0. So in the first term 0 plus k bar dot j bar, k bar dot j bar, that is also 0 plus k bar dot k bar. So same terms in between dot, that equal to 1. So k bar dot k bar equal to 1. Now is possible to apply derivative. So dou by dou z of z. With respect to z, applying derivative also z, dou by dou z of z equal to 1. 1 into 1, 1. So finally, we substituting all find out values in the formula of del dot r bar. Now del dot r bar formula is del dot r bar formula is I dou r bar by dou x plus j dou r bar by dou y plus k dou r bar by dou z. Here I bar into dou r by dou x. So dou r by dou x value 1. Remaining all values are 0. Next to dou r by dou y. I dot I 1. Finally here 1. So j into dou r by dou y. That is also 1. K into dou r by dou z. That is also 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. So we take LHS del dot r bar. We find the RHS value 3. Now we show del dot r bar equal to 3. Go to second problem. Second problem is del cross r bar. So del cross r bar, already I told del cross r bar is another formula, that is determinant formula we calculating the problems. So del cross r bar equal to, first of all, del formula is I dou by dou x. It is fixed formula, standard formula, j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. So it is del. Next, r bar. R bar is given value in the quotient. So r bar equal to x I bar, let I bar into x plus j bar into y plus k bar into z. Xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. We find out the cross value that equal to curl. In definition, f bar is a vector. In problem, r bar is a vector. Del cross r bar equal to commonly represented coefficients. So in del I bar, in r bar I bar. So j, j, k, k. So we write the first column is ijk. In two vectors commonly ijk are same. So we take first row values I, j, k. Next, the quotient of I bar in del. First applying del. So the quotient of I bar in del is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z in the second row. So the quotient of ijk in r bar x, x, y, z, that equal to third row. Okay. Common terms, so coefficients of common terms in both terms I, j, k in first row. Next, the quotient of I, j, k terms in del is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z in second row. The quotient of I, j, k in r bar is x, y, z. So that equal to third row. Now applying the determinant. So generally we find out the determinant. Now we expand the first row of the determinant. So that equal to, in first row, commonly starting with plus I bar, eliminating first column, first row. So eliminating corresponding row and corresponding column, applying the remaining terms, det of ABCD that equal to AD minus BC. So dou by dou y of cross multiplication, dou by dou y of z in the backward direction minus dou by dou z of y, dou by dou z of y. In partial derivative with respect to y, z is 0 minus with respect to z, y also 0. So in the first expansion of I bar is 0, I bar into 0. Next, we expand j bar. In second term, the coefficient is minus j, eliminating second column and first row, corresponding j bar terms. So first row and second column is eliminating. Now multiplying the cross multiplication of dou by dou x into z, dou by dou x into z minus dou by dou z into x, dou by dou z into x. In with respect to x, z is 0 in partial derivative, and with respect to z, x is 0 in also partial derivative. 0 minus 0, this term, second term also 0. And last expansion, that is k bar. Now expand k bar in first row, alternative signs, plus minus, now the sign is plus, plus k bar. Now eliminating the corresponding k bar column and corresponding k bar row. So eliminating third row and first column, and also applying the cross multiplication. Dou by dou x of y, dou by dou x of y. With respect to x, y is 0, and dou by dou y of x, backward, in backward direction take minus dou by dou y of x. So with respect to x, y is 0. With respect to y, x is 0. So the coefficient of k bar also 0. Finally, I bar into 0 minus j bar into 0 plus k bar into 0, that equal to 0. So now I applying del cross r bar in left hand side, I getting result RHS 0. RHS value is 0. Okay. Next problem. Next, second problem. In the second problem, find div f bar and curl f bar, where f bar is gradient of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. First of all, we find the grad. Grad means without any operators, now applying directly in scalar, that is gradient. సో గ్రాడియంట్ అంటే మధ్యలో ఎటువంటి డెల్ డాట్ కానీ క్రాస్ కానీ అప్లై చేయకుండా ఉంటే అది కూడా దేనికి అప్లై చేస్తే స్కేలర్ కి అప్లై అయితే దాన్నే గ్రాడియంట్ అంటాం. సో గ్రాడియంట్ మీన్స్ వితౌట్ ఎనీ డాట్ అండ్ వితౌట్ ఎనీ క్రాస్ ఆపరేటింగ్ టు ఓన్లీ స్కేలర్ ఫంక్షన్ టు del. So del apply to only scalar function, that is called as grad f. So here first of all we find the gradient, then apply div and curl. So important problem. First we find capital F bar. Here capital F bar is also a one question. Capital F bar equal to, observe that in above problem R bar is clearly given. So R bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar is clearly given vector. But in this problem F bar is not given clearly. So F bar is also one question. First we find the grad of this value, we getting the one vector, that is F bar. So first we find right hand side of F bar, that equal to grad of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. What is the formula of grad? Grad means del. Without any operator, then it is called del. So with dot, that is called divergence. With cross, that is called curl. డాట్ అప్లై చేస్తే దాన్ని డైవర్జెన్స్ అని, కర్ల్ అప్లై చేస్తే దాన్ని కర్ల్, అదే క్రాస్ అప్లై చేస్తే దాన్ని కర్ల్ అంటాం. ఏమి అప్లై అయిపోతే దాన్ని ఏమంటాం అంటే గ్రాడియంట్ అంటాం. హియర్ ది సింబల్ గ్రాడియంట్ రిప్రజెంట్ మీన్స్ డెల్. లెట్ us take x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is f. Here f is scalar. I assume f equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Here no x, I, j, k terms. So f is scalar because it doesn't have any I bar, j bar, k bar values. So f is scalar. Del applied direct to f, then it is called gradient. ఎటువంటి ఆపరేటర్స్ లేకుండా డైరెక్ట్ గా డెల్ ని ఎఫ్ కి అప్లై చేస్తే దాన్ని ఏమంటాం మనం గ్రాడియంట్ అంటాం. సో first of all we write the formula of gradient. So gradient of f bar equal to, that equal to symbolically represent, this means gradient, here f. So gradient of f equal to First of all, formula of gradient. Gradient means I dou by dou x. Gradient always vector. I dou by dou x, z dou by dou y. It is fixed formula. Dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Gradient means del. Del always vector. So del equal to I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into f bar into f, only f. Here f is a scalar. Multiplying, simple multiplication, f2 inside. So I dou by dou x of f, that equal to I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. Okay, I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. Now find out individual values. So one by one values find out chadam. First of all, I into dou by dou x of f, but we assume the value of f is, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now we write x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz in f place. So I dou by dou x of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So applying dou by dou x to inside values. So I bar into dou by dou x of x cube. So in partial derivative, corresponding terms are differentiable and other terms are 0. Dou by dou x of x cube, the derivative of x cube equal to 3x square. In the first term, derivative is 3x square. In second term derivative, with respect to x, y is 0. So y cube also 0. With respect to x, z is 0. Here x is there. So in constant terms, we write first minus 3yz is constant and derivative of x equal to 1. Again explain. So with respect to x, derivative of x cube equal to 3x square. With respect to x, derivative of y cube, both terms are different, then it is 0 in partial derivatives. With respect to of x, derivative of z cube equal to 0. With respect to of x, derivative of 3xyz. Here x is there. So first we write the constant terms 3yz and applying derivative of x. Derivative of x equal to 1. So we find the first value I dou f by dou x equal to 3x square minus 3yz. I dou f by dou x value is 3x square minus 3yz. I dou by dou x equal to 3x square minus 3yz into I bar. So this is first value. And second value, j dou by dou y of f. We write similar values. Similarly, basic on above value, with respect to x, 3x square, with respect to y, 3y square, and with respect to x, x value 1, remaining value is 3yz. Here with respect to y, y value 1, remaining terms 3xz into z bar. In examination, we find out this value also. I write similarly on basic on above value. Phi value base చేసుకొని కింద వాల్యూ రాస్తే మీరు ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో ఆ వాల్యూ కూడా ఈ వాల్యూ కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ z bar into dou f by dou y, dou f by dou z equal to, in the above equation we write similarly 3z square minus 3 xy into k bar. Substituting these values in required value, then we getting f bar equal to, we're getting the value f bar equal to here, f bar equal to grad f or grad u, anyone. So I bar into 3x square minus 3yz plus j bar into 3y square minus 3zx plus k bar into 3z square minus 3x. This is called capital F bar. This is called capital F bar. Now applying the div and cap. The definition of div is div F bar equal to del dot F bar. Observe that here del dot F bar, the formula of del I dou by dou x standard value, I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z dot F bar, recently finding value. So recently finding that equal to grad u. So we called as F bar. So I into 3x square minus 3yz plus j into 3y square minus 3zx plus 3z square minus 3xy. So div F bar equal to 6xyz. How to apply? So first I dou by dou x, I dot I 1. So with respect to x, so derivative of 3x square, 3 into derivative of x square, 2x. 2 into 3x, that equal to 6x. Next, dou by dou x of 3yz. With respect to x, so 3yz, 0. With respect to x, so 3yz, 0. Similarly, first we find out the first value and write similarly 6y plus 6z. Or we find out dou by dou y of first value 3y square, that equal to 6y. With respect to y, 3zx, 0. And dou by dou z of last value, derivative of 3z square, 3 into derivative of z square equal to 2z, 3 into 2z equal to 6z, and dou by dou z of 3xy, that equal to 0. So 6x plus 6y plus 6z, common on right hand side is 6, that equal to 6 of x plus y plus z. That is called the div. It is very important problem. First we find out the capital F bar. Capital F bar equal to gradient of f or gradient u, any variable. So we find the grad u and apply in div. Next, curl F bar. Curl F bar means curl del cross F bar. So here del cross R bar, ijk in first row, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z in third row, and finding the F bar values. So here del cross F bar means del cross F bar. In commonly del and F bar equal to ijk, right in first row. The quotient of ijk in del, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by z. The quotient of F bar, ijk quotient terms in F bar. So first quotient of I, 3x square minus 3yz, quotient of j, 3y square minus 3zx, quotient of k bar, 3z square minus 3xy. Now applying the derivative, that equal to all values are 0. So curl F bar equal to 0. So div f is a scalar. Observe that here div f equal to 6 into x plus y plus z. Here no ijk terms, so it is clearly scalar. Here vector equal to 0. So 0 is also written as 0 into I bar plus 0 into k bar plus 0 into I bar plus 0 into j bar plus 0 into k bar. It is vector. Curl F bar is always a vector. Div F bar is always a scalar. So, even doubts unte adagandamma? Any doubts? Today topic divergent and curl. Tomorrow also divergent and curl.